this is our Stein's at Home Monkfish box. And we start with a lovely first course of salt and pepper prawns with a watercress salad dressed with soy and sesame, followed by the monkfish wrapped in Parma ham, pan-fried and served with sauerkraut. Finally, we have a blood orange cheesecake. Delicious. So to begin with, let's start with the salt and pepper prawns. So, first of all, I'm going to pan fry them, although the recipe does say, as you'll see, grill them or pan fry them. I'll turn up my pan to about 8, and I'm just going to use a tiny amount of sunflower oil, any vegetable oil will do, or just a small amount of oil in the pan, and then in go the salt and pepper prawns. So just put them in the pan and fry them. You don't need to use a deep fry method, you can just shallow fry them. They're going to take about 5-6 minutes to cook. Might just give them a tiny bit of seasoning, just a bit of salt. What could be easier than that? So what I'm going to do now is make the salad. Well, I've got the watercress which I've taken out of the sachet. I'm just going to make some battens of cucumber to go into that. Just cut them into sections like that. Cut those sections into slices, and then those slices into battens. Put those in my little salad bowl, and then just add the prepared dressing, which is just soy and sesame oil and a little bit of sugar. Now my prawns, they'll be nicely cooked from one side, so just whiz them over. So basically I'm going to just carry on cooking them until they're all nice and pink. Now what I'm going to do is just take my spice mix, which is basically 5 spice mix, and just pour half the spice mix onto them, and then just transfer those onto a couple of plates. And what I like to do then is just put just a little extra sprinkle on the side like that. Actually, the whole point of peeling them with your fingers means that you rub some of the spice mix onto the flesh. But if you're very, very careful about how you peel them, you just want a little bit of extra spice on the side of the plate. Finally, the salad, which couldn't be simpler. So just add that. Just lovely smell. I don't know. It's just this mixture of watercress, soy, sesame, and cucumber. So delightful. And there you go, salt and pepper prawns with a watercress and cucumber salad with soy and sesame. Now we do the monkfish. So we've got some nice fillets of monkfish here. Just going to season them with a little bit of salt on both sides. In the box you'll have noticed some Parma ham, and we're just going to wrap this monkfish in the Parma ham. 2 or 3 slices per piece. Just turn that over like that. And we're just going to pop that in the fridge now just to set for about 20 minutes. So now to cook those, so I'm going to start cooking them on the stove top, then finish them off in the oven. So a little bit of, I use sunflower oil, but any veg oil will do. So just pop those in my frying pan. And I'm going to cook these now just to seal the Parma ham, and then I'm going to transfer to the oven. So I'm just going to keep an eye on those now, but the other thing I need to do is to heat up some sauerkraut. Heat gently in this pan here. They're looking good. Turn them over. They're sticking together nicely. Maybe put a bit of pepper on them now. Turn them back. And then in the oven now, set it 200 degrees for about 8 minutes. So I just now need to warm up my sauerkraut. And sauerkraut, as you probably know, is fermented cabbage. And what we've done is just to cook it down with onions and carrots and white wine and butter. So that's ready to go, really. Lovely. So I'm just going to chop some parsley now. So just chop that up. Ready to go with the monkfish? There it is. Looking a bit special, I think you'll agree. Onto my chopping board goes the monkfish. Now, very important this, I now put this sauce, this is chicken stock and cream, into here. Just bring that to the boil for a little bit, and then onto my plate goes the lovely sauerkraut. We're just going to cut the monkfish into 3 pieces, about 3 or 4 pieces each. Perfect. Just take that down a little bit so that it's nice and sort of unctuous. There we are, just over the top of the monkfish and all around. and then a nice generous serving of parsley. And that is my roast monkfish wrapped in Parma ham with sauerkraut. For the final course, we've made it very, very easy. You might find this really weird, but actually I love eating this blood orange cheesecake straight out of the jar. And when we developed the cheesecake, that was the idea, even in the restaurants. As soon as you get it onto a plate, it doesn't quite look as good as it does with all the nice layers. So, just to try it, to make sure it's good. Yum. That is delicious. And I'll burrow down to the bottom to get some of that lovely crispy crumb. Perfect. And the whole Stein's at Home monkfish box consisted of a starter of salt and pepper prawns with a cucumber and watercress salad dressed with soy and sesame, followed by monkfish wrapped in Parma ham, fried and roasted and served with sauerkraut and a little creamy winey sauce. And finally, of course, the blood orange cheesecake. Fab.